In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror on draw.io. If you need to reverse the direction of a shape or quickly create a flipped version of an object in your diagram, draw.io makes that very simple. The good news is that this only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. To begin, make sure you're inside the draw.io editor and looking at the diagram that contains the shape you want to mirror. Click directly on the shape you want to flip so it becomes selected. This is important because the formatting options on the right side of the screen only apply to the object you currently have selected. If nothing is selected, you may not see the controls you need. Once the shape is selected, move your attention to the Format panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, switch to the Arrange tab. This section contains layout and positioning tools that control how your selected object appears on the canvas. If you've been working mostly in other tabs, this is the one you'll want for flipping and mirroring. Inside the Arrange tab, look for the Flip option. Click on it to expand the available choices. After opening it, you'll see two ways to mirror your shape, horizontally or vertically. If you choose to flip horizontally, the shape will be mirrored from left to right. This is useful when you want the object to face the opposite direction or create a reflected version across a vertical axis. If you choose to flip vertically, the shape will be mirrored from top to bottom, which can be helpful for reversing its orientation across a horizontal axis. Just click the option that matches the result you want, and the shape will update immediately. If the result doesn't look the way you expected, you can simply try the other flip direction or undo the action and test again. This is especially helpful when working with arrows, icons, or symbols where orientation matters. And that's it. That's how to mirror a shape in draw.io using the Arrange tab and the Flip options. It's a quick tool, but it can save time and help keep your diagrams looking exactly the way you want.